This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. A front gated community with beach and pool. Beautiful first floor unit with views of the Chesapeake Bay from living room and terrace. Open living floor plan. Great room with gas fireplace. Home gets plenty of light. Unit has private storage, assigned parking plus unlimited unassigned spaces. Primary bedroom carpet and vanity 2021. HVAC 2017, hot water heater 2022, wine cooler 2021. No interior photos due to tenants. Photos online are from when the unit was owner-occupied. Tenants lease ends June 15, 2022. Close proximity to restaurants and interstate. For more information, review the details below.